Food systems depend on nature. So we're taking action to help restore nature, strengthen water resilience, and reverse biodiversity loss. And in 2024, we made real progress. We assessed our impacts and dependencies on nature across the full supply chain, helping us prioritize our efforts. We completed a nature assessment at 2 pilot sites and put action plans in place to address our findings. The numbers speak for themselves. In 2024, 100% of our paperboard came from FSC-certified forests and other controlled sources. 35% of aluminium volumes were ASI Chain of Custody certified. 100% of plant-based polymers used were Bonsucro certified, and 1,292 hectares of land are under restoration since 2023 alone, as part of the Araucaria Conservation Programme. We're also proud to be awarded an A- rating for forests and water security by the CDP. When nature thrives, so do we. Learn more in our latest sustainability report.